Dear students, in JEE 2024 Phase 1, this question was from the chapter Alternating Current. The question is, an alternating voltage V at time t equal to 220 sine 100 pi t volt is applied to a purely resistive load of 50 ohm. The time taken for the current to rise from half of the peak value to the peak value is options are 1 3.3 millisecond, 2 2.2 millisecond, 3 5 millisecond, 4 7.2 millisecond. Now see here, an alternating voltage Vt equal to 220 sine 100 pi t, that is given to you and is applied to purely resistive load of a 50 ohm. And we have to find the time taken for the current to rise from half of the peak value to the peak value. So, peak value, suppose we take that is the current I0. Then half of it, that is I0 by 2 to I0, right? So, in this rise of the current, what is the time taken that we have to calculate? So, first of all, we can write the equation for the current I equal to I naught sine 100 pi t. This is the peak value of the current, right? Now, here, first we will calculate the time taken for the current to rise from 0 to half of the peak value. Then after, we will calculate the time taken by it from half to peak value. Okay. So let's start. So first, time taken to reach from I equal to 0 to I equal to I naught by 2. So I, that is I naught by 2, equal to I naught sine 100 pi t1. T1 is the time taken to reach from 0 to half of the peak value. So I0 cancel. So half equal to 100 sine 100 pi t1. So 100 pi t1 will be pi by 6, because sine pi by 6, that is 1 by 2. So pi cancelled. So T1, that is equal to 1 upon 600 seconds. Now time taken to reach from 0 to peak value. So I0, that is equal to I naught sine 100 pi T2. I naught cancel. So 1 equal to sine 100 pi T2. So 100 pi T2, that is pi by 2, because sine pi by 2, that is 1. So T2, that comes to 1 upon 200 second. अब देखो हमारे पास यहाँ पे 0 to I naught by 2 यहाँ का टाइम इंटरवल है, और 0 to I naught तक का टाइम इंटरवल है. सो I naught by 2 to I naught, वहां तक का टाइम इंटरवल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? T2, मतलब जो 0 to I naught करंट पहुंचने में जो टाइम लगा T2, उसमें से 0 to I naught by 2 करंट होने में जो टाइम लगा था उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. So time taken for the current to rise from half of the peak value I naught by 2 to peak value I naught, that is T2 minus T1, that is 1 upon 200 minus 1 upon 600, that is equal to 2 by 600. So that is equal to 3.3 इंटू 10⁻³ सेकेंड। लेकिन हमें यहाँ पे मिली सेकेंड में ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, so this 10⁻³ that we can replace by milli. So answer is 3.3 millisecond. So as per given options, our answer is 1. Clear बच्चों?